my channel. It's your girl Sophia Patrick. So guys, in today's video I'm making a tutorial on this makeup and this look. So if you like this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, and please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, it's not fair, please kindly subscribe to my channel and kindly share this video with your friends, and please also turn on your notification bell so you'll be getting updates on all my new videos. So let's get into this video.
Guys, I am actually prepping my face using my face primer from Pounds. You know what it is. So I'm prepping this face to get it ready for the whole foundation work that will be going in on it and every other makeup that will be going in on this face. So guys, I'll be blending out my foundation now. This is actually my first time using this technique. You guys can see I've already put on my foundation shade, the highlighter, and the contour in the areas it's meant to be. So I'm blending them out now using a brush, and this is actually my first time using brush to blend my foundation on my channel. Well, it's turned out nice. So I'm actually blending my own shade of foundation and the lighter foundation using this brush. So once I'm through, I'll be going in with a blush brush, kind of, yeah, to blend the contour areas, and after which I'll still go back with the first brush I used to blend out the lighter areas properly. And once I've gotten this all blended out, I'll be using my powder brush to blend out everything evenly, you know.
So I'm going to set this with my Kiss Beauty setting spray again. So I'm going ahead now to set my face.
So I am actually using this loose powder to set my face. This loose powder is from Classic UK Cosmetics. That's Classic UK makeup. So I'm actually setting my face using the loose powder. I'm basically applying them on the areas where I highlighted. So I'm just putting it on using this brush.
So I'm going to set the contour with this e.l.f. brush, and I'm using Zaron Face Definer.
If you notice, I didn't use cream-based concealer nor foundation to contour and highlight my nose, and I'm using powder base to do so. I've already used the setting powder I use in order to highlight my nose, so I'm going in with this Zero Face Definer to contour the nose. After which, I'll be going back with the setting powder to set the base of my nose very close to the concealer. Once I've done so, I'll be going back with my powder brush in order to wipe off excess products which I have on my face.
Time to do the brow. So I'll be using this spooler from Classic Eye Pencil, and I'm actually using Davis Eye Pencil for my brow. I'm using Davis in color 3.
So guys, I am actually applying my brow using a brow pencil in Davis color 3, which I've stated earlier. So I'm just drawing my brow now using this pencil. I actually have a video tutorial on my eyebrow routine, which is on my channel, and I'll be leaving the link in my description box. So it's a detailed tutorial on how I draw my brow, so you guys can check it out. So once I'm done with this brow now, once I'm satisfied with the way it's looking, I'm going to conceal and blend it all out.
So guys, it's eyeshadow time. I'm just gonna go ahead and use which color should I use? Because okay, I think I'm gonna use this purple as my transitioning color. So I'm using a fluffy brush to apply this. So I'll be going in with this shade here, and I'll be applying it over the purple. So I'm going to be cutting my crease using my concealer. That's been half parts this side. So I'll be using my Pro Concealer in orange on the other part. I'm going ahead to put this white shade on the concealer, white concealer. So I'm going on to put this pink on the white concealer. So I'll be going back with this red and I'll be mixing it with this shade of brown on this part. So here we go. Going back with my fluffy brush, I'm going to be blending everything out. So I'll be using this my metallic glitter liner to form an arc in this eyeshadow. So I'm going to line my eyes using this classic eyeliner in black. Going back with this my liquid eyeliner. So I am just gonna go ahead and blend my whole face. Oh my god, my face. I have actually not worn makeup in a long time, so I am feeling myself, you know. And tint my brow using this brow gel. I'm going in with my Sophytrick Mink Lashes in MK10. I'm going to go ahead to put my glow kit. I'm using classic glow kit for this. So now it's time for the lippy. For my lipstick, I'll be going on with these 3 shades. This is Cocoa Bean in Classic, and this is Thunder in Classic, and this is 023 in Kiss Proof Cream. So I'm going on with the Thunder. I'm going in with the cocoa bean now. This was made over the thunder. And now is the tomato red cherry cocoa. So I'm not really okay with the whole combination. I think I'm not okay with this color and where it is. So I'm going in with this my plum in classic lipstick. Yeah, you guys will see I'm very obsessed with classic. And here we go. Yeah, I'm okay with this one. I'm going over to set my face now, the final setting.
Thank you guys for watching, and please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider to subscribe, please. Okay, see you guys in my next one. Mwah.